Hi, we launched a project to create a room plan for you for free. My name is Olga and I work at Planner 5D. Today we will create a project for a living room, but first let me remind project rules. First of all, we expect you to send us a photo of the room and a plan with all room dimensions and a short video where you share all your thoughts about the room. Together with Planner 5D designers, we will create a project for your apartment renovation. And then you will get fully featured interior design project absolutely for free. Last week we received a letter from Svetlana. She has recently moved to a new flat and now she wants to enliven her living room. Let's watch her video.
Hi Planner 5D, I saw your message and I want to try. This is my new flat. I just moved a few weeks ago and I really want to redesign it. So I got a beautiful and big, wide, spacious living room and I need to do something with it. So if you see the space, wooden floor, beautiful walls, but I have no idea how to make it beautiful. Please help me. This is my living room. It's beautiful and it's big, spacious, but still I just want to make it more lovely or cozy. So I definitely need your help.
The task seems quite interesting for our interior designers, and here we have a living room plan. We can choose from two different methods to complete the project. The first method considers creating a project using Planner 5D manually from scratch, where we will need to set all required dimensions. Or we can benefit from a simpler method and use a plan recognition feature without the need to configure the project manually. All you need is to download the image of a room plan. The program will automatically recognize the location of walls, windows, passages, and other details. We used the first method to show you all opportunities of the program. We have already used the AI feature to create a project in our first video. If you haven't watched it yet, follow the link you will see on the screen. So, we have a ready-to-use living room plan and now we can start designing. The project is ready. Let's see what has changed. The living room now features a dining area where Svetlana can meet her guests. Our designers made it possible to make the dining area look even more interesting thanks to white and light pink chairs. Designers used a geometric rack to divide the recreation area. It seems to be a reasonable solution as colorful carpet creates a well-balanced combination with a monocolored white sofa. Walls got new shelves to place picture frames and plants. The key feature of the new interior is the way Planner 5D designers utilize several types of lighting. They introduced a combination of general, localized, and accent lights. An extraordinary shaped chandelier provides enough light for the whole living room, and floor lamp highlights a separate zone next to the sofa, while shelves are stressed with the help of the LED belt. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe on our channel and like this video. Stay tuned. Bye.